you can see that I have added a logo carousel in a 𝙀𝙀 page, and it is auto rotating. You can see that it is auto rotating like this, showing different logos. And another thing I would like to show you, when you click on a logo, it will take you to the website, the logos website, the partners website. So like this, it can you can have a nice looking logo carousel. And to do this, I have not installed any additional plugins. I've only used 𝙀𝙀 to add this logo carousel. So right now I'm going to show you how you can add this logo carousel. So firstly, let me just open this page up in 𝙀𝙀. Okay, it's opening up. Okay, it's loading. Okay, it's loaded right now. So this is the logo carousel. So let me just firstly remove this one and start from scratch, so I can show you step by step. I have set this logo carousel up. So let me delete this one. Okay, so firstly, now you have to click on this plus icon and search for the element image gallery. So you will find this image gallery over here. If you are not seeing this element in your 𝙀𝙀 page builder, you will need to update the 𝙀𝙀 plugin to the latest version, because they have recently added this new element in 𝙀𝙀. So let me just simply drag in and drop it over here. Okay, so now, I have already added these logos previously, but I am going to show you how I add these logos again. So firstly, select all the logo images from over here. Okay, and then simply drag and drop it over here. So this will add all the logo images. Okay, it's adding all the logo images. Almost done. Okay, last one left. Okay, so now I will have to click over here, add to gallery. Okay, so now this is the set of logos which I am going to add to the logo carousel. So let me just simply click over here, insert gallery. So you can see the now it's not looking like a logo carousel. So you will have to go over here and choose this option, carousel. Click over here, then it will turn it into a carousel like this one. But it is, you can see that all the images are kind of cropped and not looking nice. So to do that, you will have to uncheck this option, crop images to fit. Uncheck this one, and you can see that these are looking very big, some of the logos. So you will need to adjust the number of columns over here. Just choose 5 from over here, 5, add 5, and you will have to then increase the vertical spacing between the logos. So just increase it like this. So you can see that it's already looking very nice right now. So let me just quickly save it. Okay, so it is saved. Okay, so now let me see what are the options over here. Okay, so let me just go to the other options. Click over here, carousel options. Okay, so from here you can uncheck this option, not to show arrows, and you can turn this option on to show the dots at the bottom, but I am not going to include this. slides to scroll means how many slides will scroll. Right now it is set to scroll images one by one, and infinite scrolling is turned on, so it will it will just start from the beginning when it goes to the last logo. And dragging images means that you can use your mouse cursor to drag the images like this. So all of these are good options, and most important, it's better if you turn the autoplay option on, so it will automatically rotate the images. Right now the speed is set to 3000 milliseconds, which means the logo will just change in every 3 seconds. So let me just set it to 1 second. So I will just insert 1000 millisecond, and the logo carousel will pause when you just hover over the logos, or just like click over here or something. So okay, just let me just save it quickly, save it, and let me just see if my logo carousel is looking right now. Okay, it's loading. You can see like every 1 second it's going to a new logo. Okay, that's great. Okay, so now let me just show you the, click over here, let me show you other important options. Click on this option over here, edit design. Okay, so when you click on the logo, sometimes you'll have to, it's great if you just turn the grayscale option on. It will turn on the logos, all of the logos black and white, and you can just reduce the opacity of each of the logos like this, so it will just turn into light grayscale logos like this. So it is not so these are not so distracting, and these are other different option, blur, but I don't think you are going to find this much useful. So these are the different options you have, you can try this out. So if you have messed any options over here, messed up any options over here, you can just simply click over here, reset to this default. It will just fix, it will just set everything back to the way it was. Okay, so another important thing, another important thing that you can add links to each of the logos. So if you are adding like partner logos, and you want to like, if anyone clicks on the logos, you want the user to go to your partner's website, so you can add links to each of the logos. So let me just click on this BMW logo, and let me just go to the main option and just check this option on, add link to image. After you turn this option on, you will get the field to insert the website link. So let me just click over here, bmw.com. Okay, so let me just copy this URL and just paste it over here. Done. And if you click over here, it will just open up your partner's website in a new tab. So it is more useful, so the user will not leave your website, but it will just open up the website, the new website, in a new tab. So let me click over here, done. Saving. Okay, it's saved. Let me just reload the page over here again. Okay, so let me click on the BMW logo, and you can see that it just opens up the BMW logo in a new tab. So this is how it works, this option works. Okay, so this is how you add a nice looking logo carousel in Thrive Architect without using any additional plugins, only using the Thrive Architect page builder. So if you have found this video useful, then please like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel so you can get updates to more videos about Thrive Architect and Thrive themes. And also please visit my website 𝙀𝙀𝙗𝑤ebsolutions.com. So I am providing the link to this website down in the description below. If you need any help, you can go to this contact page and send me an email if you are having any trouble regarding Thrive Architect, Thrive themes, etc. Even on your website, if you are having any trouble, just send me an email and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.